How to delete Facebook watch history permanently. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now head towards the menu page. After you land to the menu page, at the top right corner you can find the settings icon. Click on it. With that, you will land to the settings and privacy page. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll down. Under your activity, you will find the option of activity log. Go ahead and click on it. Now over here you're gonna find different sections. Scroll to the right, you will find the option of videos watched. Click on it. In this page you will find all the videos that you have watched in your Facebook account. Now how to clear it? All you have to do is click on this option of clear video watch history. Are you sure? Click on clear. It's gonna take a while depending on the number of your watch history videos. Well, this way you can easily delete your watch history on Facebook. Well, this is how you can easily delete Facebook watch history permanently. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.